Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib Hassan and you're welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design a logo of Apple by using Adobe Illustrator. So let's start the video. So friends, at first you have to set up a face. To do it, you have to click on the file, then click on the new, then select answers from here, then click on this box and type as 3.5, then click on this box and type as 2. Then you have to click on the create. After set up the page, you have to select the shape tool, then you have to press and hold the shift key, then draw the shape in here. Then you have to select the move tool, then select this and drag this in here. Then press and hold alt key, then take a copy from this. Then you have to select this, then click on the fill, then disable the fill. Then you have to select this, then click on the fill, then disable the fill again. Then you have to select these layers. Then you have to go to the properties, then you have to click on here. Then you have to select the direct selection tool, then you have to select this area from here. Then you have to select this, then drag this in here. Then select the move tool, then select this and drag this in here. After that, you have to select the direct selection tool again, then select this. Then you have to select this and drag this in here. Then select the move tool, then select the direct selection tool, then select this area. Then you have to select this, then drag this in here. Then select the move tool. Then you have to select this and drag this in here. Then you have to select this, then you have to click on here. Then select the black color. Then click on the OK. Then you have to click on the stroke, then click on here. Then select the move tool. Then select this and drag this in here. After that, you have to select the shape tool again, then select the round shape, then press and hold the shift key, then draw the shape in here. Then you have to select the move tool, then select this and drag this in here. Then you have to select all layers. Then you have to go to the properties. Then you have to click on here. Then select this and drag this in here. Then select the shape tool again, then press and hold the shift key, then draw the shape in here. Then select the move tool, then select this and drag this in here. Then select this, then drag this in here. Let's take this, then press and hold alt key, then take it away from this. Then you have to select these layers, then select the shape builder tool. Then press and hold alt key, then click on here. Then you have to click on here. Then select the move tool, then select this and drag this in here. Then press and hold the shift key, then decrease the size of this. Then you have to rotate this. After that, you have to click on the file, then click on the export, and click on the export as. Then select the location, then select the logo name. Then select the PNG format, then click on the export. Then select 300 ppi, then select transparent, then click on the OK. After that, you have to open the Adobe Photoshop. So I am opening the Adobe Photoshop from my PC. After opening the Photoshop, you have to open the logo mockup. So I am opening this mockup. After opening the mockup, you have to double click on here. Then select the logo, then click on the backspace. Then you have to open the exported logo. Then select this and drag this in here. Then decrease the size of this. Then set this in here. And click on the tick mark. Then you have to double click on here. Then type the company name. Then select this, then click on here, then select the black color, then click on the OK. Then click on the tick mark, then select this and drag this in here. Then double click on here again, then click on here, then select this color from here, then click on the OK. Then click on the tick mark. Then you have to select this and increase the size of this, then drag this in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then select these layers and drag these layers in here. After that, you have to press Ctrl plus S1 from keyboard. Now, here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.